Good afternoon, everybody. It's a nice overcast day here on the south coast of England. Okay, the drama. Am I shouting? I think I'm shouting. The drama of my Citroen Ami is not over. Not yet over. So, I was supposed to hand the Ami back at the end of the month. It's still with me. It was my birthday yesterday, so it's the 2nd of October. I've still got the Ami, and I'm waiting for the money to come back into my account, plus any finance payments. But I got a letter from the good old DVLA. Ta-da! And I got a fine for £100 for the replacement Ami. Citroen registered the replacement Ami in my name. They sent me the V55 the following day. I sent the Ami back with everything, and they didn't take it out of my name. I never got a V55 for this Ami, and I've had it for 8 months. So in 8 months, I never got one for this one. And then when I get the faulty replacement one that I had for less than 15 hours, I got a V5 the next day. Typical. So this, the replacement Ami, because it is no longer on, or wasn't on the insurance database, they gave me a £100 fine. Now, I got a warning letter a week before, but I was away. I was on holiday, and I spoke to Citroen. They told me just to, contact DVLA. But a letter came really quickly shortly after, dated on the 27th of September. So I have a £100 fine. I've just wrote a letter to explain that the Ami isn't in my possession, that it was faulty, and that I sent it straight back. And hopefully that'll be enough. I left an email address for Citroen so they can contact Citroen if they need to. So I've got to get this dealt with now. So yeah, I don't want to pay £100. So I'm going to send the letter off now. And yeah, so it looks like the replacement Ami is still in my name. So I really don't know what Citroen are doing. It's just crazy. So that Ami obviously hasn't gone to another customer. So typical. So it's not over yet. So look, I'm going to do another video of the Ami, a full rundown of my experience with it for 8 months before I reluctantly hand it back. And I will see you then. And anything else, any comments, please let me know. Take care. Bye, guys. Bye.